in the heart of Karachi for deaf children, which today has grown to 9 large campuses across Pakistan, providing education and skills training to so many deaf children, and continues to expand.
Deaf Reach schools, training centers and colleges provide academic education and skills training for the deaf community in Pakistan. Our state-of-the-art facilities provide a range of opportunities where our students can unleash their hidden talents and potential. Each student is provided with free of cost transportation up to a 50-mile radius, daily hot meal, books, stationery and vocational materials. A training program for parents to help them communicate with their child. And Deaf Reach is now expanding, creating a network of satellite schools that are reaching remote areas where deaf children have no access to education. Once the education cycle is complete, Deaf Reach's job placement program assists our alumni students to find meaningful job opportunities and become financially independent. But that is not all. Deaf Reach is the pioneer in documenting the National Sign Language, creating the first ever online digital Pakistan Sign Language Dictionary. In addition, Deaf Reach has developed digital sign language education resources that can be accessed by deaf children anywhere in the country, whether in or out of school. Deaf Reach's online resources will be instrumental in reaching the over 1 million deaf children in Pakistan, where presently less than 5% of these children have access to education. This remarkable nationwide service will benefit our country for decades to come. It is this commitment to service and our dedicated efforts that enable children like Aliza to go to school and fulfill their dreams.
Our goal is to ensure that no parent of a deaf child is left without information about their children's needs, and that no deaf child is left without access to literacy and learning.